drone batteries, but I done already spent about $200 or $300 on portable batteries. Yeah, this one gotta work. If I need another one, I'll just buy another one. But they say this one should last about 4 hours, I guess. And plus the device lasts 2 hours itself. So a 6-hour event. Hell, I'm guessing that's good, ain't it? I'm on the other side, man. He ain't purged no juice over here or nothing. He caught on fire and still won. Yeah, he caught on fire and still won. I ain't gonna lie, red line look alright. Ain't got that many spectators out here tonight, which I don't think no track really did. Here's what I need look out is a garage door battery with the special invention conversion to USB from battery. Over 1 month will keep all USB going, and this garage door battery fits under your pocket. What? You making me read this again. Here's what I need Lookout Racing is the garage door battery. Man, with my special invention conversion to USB from battery. Over a month will keep all USB going, and this garage door battery fits in your pocket. What else you need? What I need, man? How much is that? You need my address or what, Robbie Danger? I can't believe something USB could fit in your pocket and hold the charge. I don't get it. Hey, can you send me a whisper or something? Send me a whisper and I'm gonna send you the address to the studio, man. I got Lookout Studios. I got Lookout Studios getting done. Oh snap, it's 7:40. I forgot them ribs, y'all. It's about time for them ribs. For the people that just came in, man, they got some ribs over here, man. They talking about they had 20 slabs. I wanted to see this car run, man. What year is this? 72. You got the one, man.
72 SS Chevelle.
Man, how long you been having it?
A little over 10 years.
A little over 10 years. You were happy when you got it?
Happier now.
Happier now? That's player. Dang, he got a nice Chevelle, y'all. I'm finna go check on these ribs real quick. Let me run over here. How much stuff I got in my pocket? Oh, nothing. That's good. Oh, he queuing too. I just got a grill like that. Uh-oh. He finna do something too. Hold on, I knew it was gonna be a crowd over here. Look at him already licking and stuff.
I know who you are.
Yeah, man. Oh yeah, they got some beans too. Okay, she told me to give me a plate, y'all. What? That's potato salad? Oh yeah, I want some potato salad. 2 ribs and a link. And I'm gonna be happy. Oh, and some beans. That's enough potato salad. I'm gonna be happy, miss. I ain't trying to take it from everybody. Ooh, those some juicy links too. Okay. Very appreciate that, Robert Danger. I said thank y'all. I sure appreciate it.
You late.
I am?
Yeah.
I thought y'all still going.
We still going, but you late. We had 20 slabs of ribs.
I ain't missing that long. I get a little piece. I can't do nothing with a slab of rib, man. I just need 3 little things of that rib. I'm alright. Whichever slab it came off of. Which it don't matter. 2 or 3 of them little things, I'm gonna be little. Shoot, that's it.
You want some barbecue sauce?
Oh yeah, what kind of that? Go on, sprinkle me down. Oh yeah. I'm finna be good
Right,
job.
you want light bread or a bun?
Just a piece of white bread.
Okay.
Ooh, we got Robbie Danger hooking it up on my chat miss. Twisted Soul, keep it. Y'all see this? They giving y'all a review right now. They talking about 5 thumbs up. Thank you, miss. I'm finna be back. Let me see, did I get my fork? I done left my fork. They reminded me I left my fork. Let me see. Yeah, they be on it.
You want water?
Let me get me a water, man. I think I can. Yeah, I need your help. I need your help. I got one person talking about, don't eat that pork. Hey, I eat pork. I'm sorry. I ain't seen the bags of it yet. I'm finna go up. I'ma be back, miss, and tell y'all how everything went down. Damn, they just throw it all on the grill. Fuck it. I guess so. I'm finna go over here and throw it all in my mouth. Fuck it. Let me see where I'm gonna do that at though. I guess, yeah, I can hit one of these little sides over here. Robbie Danger, man, he said he want to help me grow, man. I be liking that, man. I don't be knowing that people want to help me. I be messing. As soon as I start doing a little good, they be like, shit, he got it. I be, no, I don't. Hey, hell y'all going with the help. Hey, man. Yeah, I just got hooked up, man. I'm over there. I went in y'all tent. I've been up. Yeah, I'm ready.
You're going back into another place just like that. I'm making double that size. We got enough food to feed everybody out here left.
For real?
Yeah.
I'm gonna be back. I told them this just appetizer.
Okay.
This just appetizer. I ain't want to miss everything. Boy, that thing sound good. Oh yeah, they got it. Hey y'all. Yeah, I got a good spot. Let me see where I'm gonna